Hello everyone, this is MHD Aviation, and today I've got a collection of 4 Allegiant airplanes. They came in from the official Allegiant website. I won't tell you how to get there, but it's only meant for employees. But these were really cool, really cheap, and really awesome. So I've got a pair of Airbus A220s and a pair of Airbus A319s, and we're going to unbox them right here. Right now. So first we're going to unbox the Airbus A220 series, A320 series, my bad. And let's see what that looks like. This is my very first Allegiant airplane, so there's the box. Then obviously Allegiant, the back. Very unique that they have this instead of the usual like this in the front. Enough of that, let's get to unboxing. Alright. So I've never had Allegiant airplanes before, but this is really cool. Here's the first Allegiant A320. This one is November 246 November Victor. You can see there's the Allegiant logo, overwing exits, the livery, the sun in the rear, the sharklets, the bottom, nothing much. Here's the front. Alright, so let's unbox the other one. Gotta fix the camera real quick, make it stable. Move this one out of the way. This is the second A320. Obviously they're both the same registration. Same thing for this one, as usual. Nothing special. Set this like this. Now here's the big quirk. So now we're going to unbox the A319s. So here's the A319 from Allegiant. But if you've noticed, you might see something strange. This thing actually has sharklets when it's not supposed to, because an actual Allegiant A319s don't have sharklets, and it shows correctly here that it does have only the fence tips on their A319s. You'll also notice that it has no registration. So here's the box. Let's take this out of the box. So where I work, Allegiant actually services the airport, and I actually feel their airplanes. Set this down here. So So here's the A319. This is Allegiant. The dual overwing exits because of the high seat in the airplane, high seat count. The sun, the unusual sharklets, no registration. So in theory, like even though this is supposedly a real airplane, Allegiant does not have the sharklets, so Gemini Jets made a kind of fictional A319 with sharklets, which is why it has no registration on the rear. So pretty interesting. Trying to fix the camera here. On to the next one. Same thing with this one. The box, the upside down airplane, the title up here with the sharklets. Still says MD-80. The airplane. This box, these things are coming harder to remove. There we go. So no different. There's the cockpit windows, the L1 door, Allegiant, the two overwing exits, the supposedly the fence tips, but they are sharklets, no registration. The L2 door, the APU, the R2 door, the other side overwing exits, Allegiant, the R1 door. The bottom, Gemini Jets. And so that is all the Allegiant airplanes right here. Size comparison between the A320 and the A319. Obviously the 319 is just a tad smaller than the 320. So I do work for an FBO. I do line service, but I also fuel Allegiant's airplanes. And it's actually really cool. Good to be with Allegiant. And just interesting the way they fuel. Unfortunately, we can't really drive underneath the wing, which is what you don't want to do. When you fuel, the fuel port is right there, and the fuel panel is underneath the airplane. But this has been unboxing the 4 airplanes. So I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been the 4 Allegiant airplanes. It's A320 and the A319s.